that man? Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? And that man is a Titan. He's TitanMan. He's TitanMan. Some say he's a monster. They look at him with fright. But he's dedicated his heart. For us, he's sworn to fight. Titan might, protecting the walls. Titan kick. Titan gonna fall. He'll cut out the nape with a Titan chop. Titan healing, he cannot be stopped. Evil power in his hands, but mankind's in command. He's a Titan who fights for man. He's TitanMan. He's TitanMan. 5 years ago our life was thrown into dismay, but now the Titans will face the boy from that day. Titan skin, it's his heart of stone. Titan punch, breaking all their bones. He'll burn all his foes with his Titan heat. Titan command, he can't be beat. Evil power in his hands, but mankind's in command. He's a Titan who fights for man. He's TitanMan. He's TitanMan!